Hey, ma'am. I'm Rosemary Talipan Uba from BSEE 1A. So in this topic, we talk about kinematics motion in a straight line. So first is describe physics in your own words. So for me, physics is the branch of science that deals with the structures of matter and how the fundamental constituents of the universe interact. It studies objects ranging from the very small using quantum mechanics to the entire universe using general reality. So check your understanding. 3.1. A cyclist rides 3 kilometers west and that turns around and rides 2 kilometers east. So A, what is his displacement? So we have a given the right side. X sub f equals 3 kilometers west. X sub 0 equals 2 kilometers east. So the solution A is x sub 1 equals x sub f minus x sub 0 equals 2 minus 3. So ato ara siyang i-minus 2 minus 3. So we have the answer negative 1 kilometer. So the negative 1 kilometer, it is displacement. So for B, what is the distance traveled? Solution B. So i-add ra ni siya 3 plus 2, so which is 5 kilometer. So the distance traveled is 5 kilometer. For C, what is the magnitude of his displacement? So the magnitude of displacement is 1 kilometer. 3.2. The position of an object as a function of time is x times time equals negative 3 times squared m negative. So which is the A, what is the velocity of an object as a function of time? For B, is the velocity ever positive? For C, what are the velocity and speed at time equals 1.05. So A, what is the velocity of the object as a function of time is, the answer is dx time equals dt equals na time to the power of n negative 1 equals 2 times negative 3 to the power of t2 negative 1. So the v times t equals negative 6 times m over s. For B, is the velocity ever positive? So the answer is no, because time can never be negative. For C, what are the velocity and speed at time equals 1.05 is, the answer is velocity equals v times time, v times 1.05 equals negative 6 plus m over s. V equals negative 6 m over s. So the velocity is negative 6 m over s. For the speed is equals 1 times t. So the speed is 6 m over s. So the speed is 6 m over s. For the last question, 3.3. The protons in a linear acceleration are accelerated from rest to 2.0 times 10 m over s and 10 to the power of negative 4 s. What is the average acceleration of the protons? So the solution is A. Velocity over time equals 2.0 times 10 to the power of negative 4 m over s negative 0 over 10 to the power of 4 s to the power of negative 0. So that the given is velocity over t. So the velocity is, we have the velocity sub f minus velocity sub 0. So time equals time sub f minus time sub 0. So we have this, the final answer for the question number 4. The problem set number 4 is 2 times 10 to the power of 4 m minus s to the power of 2. So the average of acceleration of the protons. So that would be all. Thank you, Mom.